Hello, my name is Chris Campbell and I am with Insureberry. I'm grateful for this opportunity. Today I just wanted to talk about our new app that we just released. You probably received some notices about downloading the application. When you do, it's a big I to represent insurance agent. Once you click on that, you're going to come to our screen here with our logo on it. I just wanted to point out a couple of unique things for us on this. There's different ways that when you push, you can read this very easily, whether it be calling us, texting us. It's to help better communicate with us what you guys need. As well as at the very bottom of the screen, if you're with ag workers, you can hit that button and it will take you to your policy so you can view that. One other thing I wanted to point out to you is on the very bottom is called inventory. You hit that button and this is how to help you and to remind you to take an inventory of your house, specifically for homeowners. So if something happened, you would always remember the things that you may have lost. It will actually kind of guide you through your house, different rooms to take pictures. For example, if you just recently bought a new couch, you can go ahead and take pictures of that, even the picture of the receipt if you want to. That way there's never any questions of what you had in your house at the time of the loss, and that it will be easily shared. But we wanted to make sure that you guys had an app available for all the different policies you have with us, just to make things in your life easier. If you have any questions, please contact us and we're here to serve. Thank you very much.